The Supreme Court will decide whether states can ban transgender athletes from participating in girls' sports. Today, the court granted a pair of cases out of Idaho and West Virginia. Here's the background and the arguments. Idaho became the first state to ban transgender athletes from participating in girls' and women's sports. That happened in 2020. Then a transgender athlete named Lindsay Hecox challenged the law because she wanted to try out for track and field at Boise State University. She claims the law violates Title IX and the Constitution's guarantee to equal protection of the law. Title IX bars sex discrimination in education programs that receive federal funding. The state argues that the law is intended to ensure that women and girls are not forced to compete against men and boys who benefit from the enduring physical differences between men and women. A federal district court judge said Lindsay was likely to succeed in her claims and blocked the state from enforcing the law, and the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals upheld that decision. And in West Virginia, a 14-year-old who has identified as a girl since third grade and takes puberty blockers is challenging the law when the principal of her middle school told her mother that she couldn't go out for girls' sports teams. She had the same arguments as the trans athlete in Idaho, but in this case, the district court judge sided with the state. Then the Fourth Circuit put that decision on pause, blocked the state from enforcing the law, and actually that pause order went up to the Supreme Court in 2023, where the Supreme Court refused to mess with the Fourth Circuit's pause order. In that case, Justice Alito dissented and said that this was an important issue. Then the Fourth Circuit reached the merits, and they said that the West Virginia law violates Title IX. So both cases are now up before the Supreme Court. They will hear the case next term and will likely get a decision next year.